Welcome. What is data security? Like, subscribe to my channel. What is data information security? Data security is the process of safeguard digital information throughout entire life cycle to protect it from corruption, thief or unauthorized access. What are the three types of data security? There are the three core elements to data security that all organizations should data here to confidential, integrity and availability. What is data security control? Data security controls, or more specially data center cybersecurity controls, are based on a security approach that implements security of the data self over the security of devices, applications, server or networks. What is the job of data security? Data security analysis work to ensure that computer networks and systems are protected from hackers and virus. They typically works for specific business, ensure that antivirus software and other security programs are to updated are running properly. What are the topics of data security advantages? Data security tool provide solution like data analysis, data masking, sensitive file, election hashing, tokenization, and key access management practices. We will as automated reporting and systems with meeting regulatory compliance requirements. What are the topics of data security? Advanced data security, a problem. Data security is a corruptional concern for individuals, organizations and governments by cyber attacks continue to rise in a frequency that severity. According to recent reports, cyber min will cost the world over 10.5 trillion and annually by 2025.